having the second largest allocation in government's annual budget for agencies and services, and amidst ongoing scrutiny over anomalous and gross fund misuse over this year's allocation, the president has ordered a fine-tooth comb review of next year's proposed outlay for the embattled DPWH. This to ensure the integrity of the numbers that ought to match or come close to those contained in the 2026 NEP. Our Kenneth Paciente has more.
To check the possible duplication or repetition of flood control projects, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered the Department of Budget and Management or DBM and Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon to conduct a comprehensive review of the DPWH budget under the 2026 National Expenditure Program or NEP. The President emphasized that the review must result in the necessary changes to ensure transparency, accountability, and the proper use of public funds. According to him, it is important to guarantee that allocated funds go to infrastructure projects that will truly benefit the Filipino people.
Nasabi po natin noong nakaraang press briefing na ito ay nabanggit ni Representative Marcy at Representative Puno. So doon lamang po kumuha pansamantala ng impormasyon ng Pangulo at ang DBM. At ito po ay pag-aaralan mabuti, kaya po ang DBM pati po ang DPWH ay bubusisiin po ito talaga.
Castro added that since the NEP can no longer be returned to the DBM, only corrections may be made to the agency's budget.
Kung totoo bang nagkaroon ng mga duplication, nagkaroon ng insertion, dapat po kasi matanggal ito through errata.
For instance, she said that if completed projects are still listed in the NEP, these should be removed. This means the proposed DPWH budget for next year may be reduced depending on the findings of the review.
Kaya nga po may mga pagre-review, kaya po rin nagkakaroon ng budget hearing para maitama kung ano yung maitama dapat.
So if ever there will be a reduction in the proposed NEP, sa DPWH lang po?
Depende po, kasi kung meron pa pong iba. So, i-reviewin po nila. Pero sa ngayon po, dahil yun po yung nakikita ng mga senador natin at ng mga kongresista, DPWH,
Okay,
ang tutok.
The palace expressed confidence that the process will be completed quickly to avoid delays in the budget deliberations.
Sa bilis po ng pagtatrabaho ni Sec Vince at saka ni Sec Mina Pangandaman, mabilisan po ito. At yun ang po ang pinag-utos talaga ng Pangulo. So hindi pwedeng pangmatagalan yung gagawin na pagre-review. Mabilisan po ito.
Some members of Congress expressed support to the President's directive in the interest of a more orderly budget.
Well, siguro bago na-submit dapat yung budget dito, na double check, triple check din po siguro nila. Pero that's good that they'll do a sweep para makita po natin kung may irregularities nga or may na-miss out tayo dun sa budget ng DPWH.
Si DS Puno, meron talaga siyang nakita, sina Congressman Teodoro, may nakita silang nag-uulit hindi ba, na mga line items. And ang totoo, the burden of this particular review is on DPWH and on the DBM. So, okay, pag-aralan ho nila, walang problema. Yun din naman ho yung gusto talaga nating makita.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.